Hello, welcome back to this channel, Barnsley's Retro Clan. Back on the Cassette 50 by Cascade, games 11 and 12 today. So yeah, not expecting much more improvement to what we've seen already. As you can see, this is the listing, always written in basic on this. It's got that stupid beeping menu sound. There we go. IP and Q, or press G, so it's not. So this is like a lunar. What on earth? Right, so you've got a land your space rocket, but there's no control on it. Q, I and P. That's what I've been using. You don't feel in control. That's obviously your space rocket that's hurtling towards ground. It changes into a close-up view. Like this. It's not doing that. It's not responding. What? That's unplayable. I'll give it one more go. Q, I and P. That's what I've been using. This is... oh my god. If game is not letting you control your characters, what's pointing it? I can thrust, but my spaceship's not moving. That is, well, at least other games were some sort of, oh no, bog off. At least other games were like playable and you're in control as such, but this one, I don't know if it's emulated program or whatever, but just wanting control. Thrusts work when you see that little line at the bottom of your rocket, but even then it didn't seem to do much. Absolute rubbish. There's no point. What's the point of putting that on if you can't control your ship? Oh dear. No, that's probably the worst game I've come across up to now in this compilation. So yeah, that's Lunar Lander. Graphics out of 10. I like how it changes from a long distance view to a close view, but even then you're not in control though. There's no point. Graphics I'll give it a point. Sound, again, it's got that daft beeping music, well not music, that beeping sound on menu, what just gets on your nerves all the time. I'm giving that a 0. Playability, well that's a 0 because keys don't seem to denote, so there's no playability on it. So yeah, that's Lunar Lander. Let's go on to the next game. Oops, let's list it, make sure it's loaded in. Yep, right, let's run it. Oh god. IPQZ. Looks like a Pacman game. Yeah, oh my god. They're just squares. Oh good god. What's that red square doing? It's doing naff all. This is just painful. It's so slow, even for a basic program. The green square that I'm trying to control, there's like a delay when you're pressing your controls. Up! Oh good god. What's the point of the... oh, a red square's decided to come out. Well, this is... It just beggars belief. It honestly does. They can't even be bothered to program graphics. It's just they're just flashing squares. Again, these asterisks, no power pills to what I can see. Really, really slow. I mean, take away the sluggish controls. What challenge is this? That red square that's moved out of the ghost's den, it's not moved. So there's no challenge to it. The biggest challenge is trying to get your controls to work. Good God. I mean, why? Why? Oh my God. This is just... It's a game that you'd probably see on the old teletext service. Lose. God, I'm not having another go at that. That is pathetic. So yeah, that Pacman clone. Graphics, I'm going to give it a 0. Absolute shambles attempt at a game. At graphics, at playability, at everything really. So yeah, graphics are 0. Sound 0 as well. Not much to write home about. Playability, well, controls, they're just not responsive. It takes about 5 bashes on keyboard for your little square to shift. Like I say, it's written in basic, it's going to be slow, but the slow under this. This is just, well, it's waste of space on a cassette. It's just rubbish. Playability 0. You know, there's better typing games out there for Spectrum. So yeah, games 11 and 12, not the best to say at least, but yeah, that's been the latest games on the Cassette 50. If anybody does watch this, please comment below. You know, tell me what you think about games, if you actually own the cassette, if you come across that watch, what you used to get with cassette. I'm interested to see if anybody's still got one or whatever. That, you know, that'd be quite interesting. So yeah, I'll leave it there. So thanks for your time, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.